Technically, Coke Zero lang yan. Iba rito si Gordon Ramsay eh. Nilagay sa decanter yung famous beef Wellington ni Gordon Ramsay. Mga ka-wedgie, Gordon Ramsay. Hello! Ayun o. Yun lang pala siya. Ayun o. So we're here, so I will try the beef Wellington tsaka fish and chips. Ayun o. Okay, para malaman natin. Technically, Coke Zero lang yan. Iba rito si Gordon Ramsay. Nilagay sa, what do you call that? A decanter. Okay mga ka-wedgie, ito na yun. Yung famous beef Wellington ni Gordon Ramsay. Ayan, she's pouring the way. What's your name?
My name is Krisa.
Hi. Okay, mga ka-wedgie when you come here, look for her. And then, this is the fish and chips.
Yes, po.
Ano yung sauce nito? Tartar?
Tartar sauce po.
Which is better?
Best siya, sir, if combine ko na.
Okay. Okay.
Then squeeze the lemon and half.
Okay, got it. Okay, let's try this.
Wait, GTV.